Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-5 side mirror. First, gather all the necessary tools like a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel to access the mirror's mounting points and electrical connections. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the small triangular cover located on the inside of your door, near the mirror base. You will then see 3 mounting bolts. Unscrew these carefully. After that, detach the electrical wiring harness by pressing its release tab. Finally, gently pull the old mirror away from the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new mirror with the mounting holes on the door. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure the mirror. Before reassembling the door panel, test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to confirm proper operation. For the final steps, reassemble your door. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place. Secure any screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Double-check that the mirror adjusts correctly and that any heating elements are working. Take a moment to ensure no loose parts remain and that your new mirror is perfectly secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.